myself Srinivas Rajam. My project title is Simulation of Earthquake through GSM Network. This is my project. In our project, we are going to intimate the people about the earthquake occurrence so that we could save the lives of people in earthquake prone areas. In our this is our Earth. Our Earth is divided into different tectonic plates. This is one different tectonic plate, and this is one different tectonic plate. When these plates move backward and forward, due to its movement, at its contact point friction occurs, and due to this friction, potential energy is generated at its contact point, and this potential energy is released in the form of seismic waves, which we call as earthquake. So in our project, the main role is of these two sensors. This is accelerometer 1 and this is accelerometer 2 placed here. So we are going to place these two sensors at the hypocenter through which the waves originate, and our whole system will be placed in the control room on the earth. So whenever the vibrations occurs, these vibrations are sensed by a MEMS sensor, that is accelerometer, and it will send the signal to the control room. Firstly, this signal, whatever is in analog voltage, it will come to A to D converter. It will convert that analog voltage into equivalent digital bit and give to controller. This controller will continuously display its vibration values on the LCD, but in controller we have to set a threshold value through programming. Suppose earthquake below 3 Richter scale not so much destructive, but above 3 Richter scale destruction starts. So if vibration cross the 3 Richter scale, we can beep the buzzer placed in the control room, and microcontroller will send the signal to GSM kit to alert the people in that earthquake prone area. So these are in our project. We have, for demo purpose, we have kept the 200 millivolt as a threshold value. So as soon as the vibration cross the 300 millivolt, it will send the alert message. So in this way, message will be sent to all the users whose numbers are fed in this controller. So in this way, we can alert the people about earthquake occurrence, and we can save the lives of many people. Thank you.